Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to teach you how to play with Sticky Slime. Sticky Slime is the best because it stretches longer. It stays available longer. Comment down below if you like Sticky Slime. If you do, then I'll do a video how to make Sticky Slime. And I use borax for this. I don't have the borax solution. This is my brother that is recording. And this is my brother recording the phone.
Hi guys.
And we're gonna be like, I made this at my friend's house with borax, and that was my little sister bitch. Cause I won't let her in my video. She's mad. But we're gonna teach you how to play Sticky Slime. I'll hop right into the video. Do not do this. It stays stuck to your hand. It's on my hand. It's on my hand. See? Don't do that. Do this. Grab it quick. And then when you poke it, and then do that. It messes up your hand. So now see, it's stuck right now. Then you poke it like this. Then you grab it. Don't do that. It gets kind of stuck. So just do this. Like this. And now I'm gonna be my cousin. And when you do this, don't do it all extra soft. Like this. Like that. This is like stick tight crunchy slime. Because when it's sticky, sometimes most of the foam beads stay in. And like to me, but you got this. Go ahead and tell me. It's stuck right now. It's like stuck, right? See, it's stuck to me right there. And you're not even recording, huh? Oh. And like it's like kinda sticky, kinda not. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and give me a